Hey guys, my name is Angel. Welcome to your boy channel. I know it's been a really long time and I have a ton of updates, but for now, let's get into this Shein haul, okay? Okay. Because whose black tie event am I going to? Like, who's inviting me? Like, look, baby, look at this. Look, first of all, if nobody knows about me over, like, look, come, just good girl bye. Where she think they're going? Where? First of all, this dress is everything, honey, everything. Okay, it got this little clear thing. You don't have to wear it. I just got it on right now for the sake of it. You wear it with your little strapless bra. Definitely true to size. I got my real size. It's kind of like it's a little stretchy, so keep that in mind, like if you're worried about the type of material it is. But this is just everything for me. Like, oh my god, baby, where am I going? Who's taking me out? Where we going? Who taking me out? Baby, I might take myself out with this dress, okay? This ain't look so good to stay in my house, you know what I'm saying? She is hella cute, hella cute. I ain't gonna hold you though, she a little big. And you know, she is just be really small sometimes, so it's like you never really know if you should size up, size down. But I sized up, like this is, I got this in an extra large size, sized up, but it's definitely big. Like the sleeves, as y'all can see, the sleeves are kind of falling. The stomach part, like just the whole dress is pretty big. I feel like my butt is the only part that's not moving. So I'm even thinking if I would have done a large, like if it would have fit everywhere, then maybe it would have been too tight back here, or maybe it would have, you know, I don't know. But listen, I'm thinking about it. I'm really thinking about it. Just trying to get the go to send it back and get a large, because it's giving. This is just hella cute, and it's just it's really good for your girl. So this is how this dress looks on me. Miss Ma'am. Miss Ma'am, where am I going? What? First of all, baby, this dress is so cute. This is everything, okay? You hear me? Everything. My bra is kind of showing a little, and I feel like that's probably the only thing that I don't like. I might have to wear a bra that matches, but if that's the least of my worries, if I gotta wear a bra that match, so be it, because this dress is everything. I love how it hugged me. I love the slit. I love how it fits. So keep that in mind. If you do put on underwear or spank or anything like that, some shorts underneath your dress, it is like a really thin material, so it is more than likely gonna show through. But baby, baby, listen, I'm about to be on somebody's yacht, okay? Listen, don't play with me. Do not. Okay, guys, so this is how this dress looks on me. Okay, I don't really like it. I feel like it looks different in the picture, and like it's cute, it fits and everything, but I just feel like something else should be happening here. Like I just feel like this part kind of looks weird almost, and just this, like the way this material is, like they should have had something else here, or maybe like less material to kind of like cinch it, or I don't know. It's just like random, you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like it had major potential, and I even feel like you could even like dress it up, you know what I'm saying, and like make it like look real good. But just like off the dome, I ain't really feeling her that much. What do you think, guys? I don't know, the arms are so flowy, it's making me wanna, you know, just praise dance. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's giving me Majestic, you know what I'm saying? It's giving like I would wear this if I were pregnant and I wanted to get some maternity photos. I feel like this is a really cute like maternity dress type deal. It's giving she's in the forest, you know, getting her pictures. Like I don't know what this is, but the dress is making me just want to go like that. So just listening to my body. But honestly, it's really, really beautiful. It's super soft. I love how flowy it is. So yeah, what do you guys think? What are y'all thoughts? So this is the next outfit. Absolutely love it. It's giving me all the boho feels. Like, yes. Honestly, if I could describe my fashion style, if I'm not very luxurious and glamorous and all that stuff, this is me. Definitely tree hugger vibes. Definitely like Zen, boho, tree hugger, hippie. Like this is, I love it. I love this so much. And obviously, you can put the skirt wherever you want to put it. I couldn't find my strapless bra, so don't mind my But this is really cute. It has a slit in the middle, super stretchy, definitely true to size. I got my real size in this. But yeah, like, that's my microwave. Sorry y'all, I'm a little hungry. But I think this outfit is so freaking cute. Like, I would buy it in literally every color. This is next. I feel like it's cute in essence. I don't love it. I feel like it's a little bit see-through. I don't know, I just feel like the skirt is just weird. I don't know. It's not ugly at all, but I don't know. I don't love it like I thought I was gonna love it. I don't know what else to say besides that, but it's really cute, nice and airy. I like that it's like it's high up here and then it gets low. I also love that this part is long because that's my dryer, sorry. Because sometimes I do want to cover a little bit more of my tummy, or for the girls who have like bigger chichis, I feel like this is something good because it has so much coverage to it. Like, it's not a little bitty piece of like strip, it's like a big thick strip. So I mean, I definitely would recommend it if you like the style, but I think I just don't care for the style as much as I thought I was going to.